Hello. Okay, good morning, all of you. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me, all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, today we will do some grammar revision. Only a few chapters are left in literature, so we'll do grammar. Can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Blank page you can see. Okay. Okay. Screen is visible to you? Can you
Yes,
see what
ma'am.
I'm writing? Hello, can you see what I'm writing? Reply. Can you see what I'm writing?
Ask everyone.
Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You keep your copies in front of you so that you can write simultaneously. Okay? Keep your copies in front. What is the past tense and past participle
Brought.
of bring?
Brought.
Brought.
Okay. Bring, brought. And what is the past participle?
Brought.
Brought.
Brought. So bring, brought, brought. Then sometimes you get confused. For buy,
Bought.
Advait,
Bout.
Bought.
Advait, Advait answer. Buy,
Bought. Yes, ma'am. Bought.
Say the spelling.
Bought.
So, yes, Bought. What is the past tense of flee? You know the meaning of flee? What is the meaning of flee? Anyone?
To run.
You have not studied this
Ma'am, to
word.
run away.
Aditya Raj, what is the meaning of flee?
Ma'am, can I?
Shreyasi, okay, Shreyasi, answer. Flee
Ma'am,
means
the
what?
meaning of flee is to run away.
Yes, very good. Flee
To
means
run
to
away.
run away. Very good, Shreyasi. Flee means to run away. What is the past and the participle?
Fled. Fled.
Fled. Flee, fled, fled. Then cost.
Cost.
What is the past and the participle of cost?
Costed.
Costed. Cost has all the costed. Cost. You can also have costed. Okay. What is the past and the participle of stick? Now stick has two meaning. One is the stick, noun, chhadi, and one is stick, verb. So this is the verb stick. What is the past tense of stick?
Stuck.
Yes, stuck.
Stuck.
Stuck. And the past participle? What is the
Stuck.
Stuck.
Yes, past and the participle is the same. Stick, stuck. Okay. You can keep your copies open and you can write also. Stick, stuck. Then strike. Strike means to hit.
Struck.
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 Tell me the spelling.
Struck.
Struck.
Yes, Struck. Strike, struck, and struck. Wait, I'll point out, then you answer. Because if you answer together, then Akash, 9G, can you answer the past and the past participle of ring? Akash. Akash, 9.
Rang.
Nishu, you want to answer? Okay, Nishu,
Yes,
answer. Nishu Nayan.
Rang.
Ring, rang.
Yes, ma'am.
Nahi. Answers are correct.
Ma'am, may I?
What is the past and the participle that you say?
Ma'am, may I?
Advait,
Ma'am,
okay.
can I?
Rang.
Yes. Nishu, your answer was correct, but first past is rang and participle is rung. You said ring, rang. It's not like that. Ring, rang, and then third form is rung. Your answer was correct, but you got confused in the past and the participle. Past is rang and participle is rung.
Spread.
Yes, spread, all the three forms are same. There are some verbs for which all the three forms are the same? Spread, spread, spread. Then cut.
Cut, cut.
Cut,
Cut, cut, cut.
Cut, cut, cut. For cut, there is no change in the past and the participle. All the three forms are same. So you have to remember there are some verbs for which all the three forms are same. Wait, I'll point out, then you answer. Participle. Anjali Kumari 9B. Anjali 9B, can you hear me?
ma'am.
हाँ, आंसर करो. फ्लाई
Yes,
का
ma'am.
पास्ट और पार्टिसिपल क्या होगा? फ्लाई.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
I want those who don't respond, I want them also to answer. Aman Raj,
May I?
wait. Aman Raj, can you answer? Aman Raj? Aman Raj 9E, roll number 17. Bhavya? Bhavya 9B.
Ma'am, flew.
Bhavya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. What is the past and the participle of fly?
Ma'am, flew, flew.
Ma'am, flew, flown.
Flew. Second form ठीक है. Third form क्या होगा?
Flown.
Ma'am,
F-L-O-W-N.
Fly, flew,
Flown.
flown. Yes. Fly, flew, flown. Then flow. Sometimes you get confused between fly and flow. Both are different. This means उड़ना. ये मतलब बहना. River flows, birds fly. See, don't get. Sometimes you get confused. Some words are confusing, like stick and strike. Bring and buy. So here, river flows, birds fly. You understand the difference in the meaning? एक मतलब उड़ना, एक मतलब बहना, और both have different past and the participles. That is why I am giving it one below the other so that you don't get confused. Fly, flew, flown, flow.
Flowed, flowed.
Yes, flow,
Flowed,
flowed, flowed. Teach.
Taught.
Wait, I'll.
Taught.
Uh,
Ma'am,
Avinash Kumar, Avinash Kumar, 9G. Can you answer, Avinash? Ananya Singh, 9G. Ananya.
Taught,
What is the
taught.
past and the participle of teach?
Teach, taught, taught.
Yes, very good. Teach, taught, taught. Ayush
Ma'am,
Mehra, can you say the past and the participle of sing? Ayush Mehra. Soumya Singh, can you answer? Soumya Singh. Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer? What is the past and the participle of sing?
Ma'am, sank.
नीतू ने आंसर किया. सौम्या तुम आंसर करो. Sank, and what is the participle?
Ma'am, sunk.
Yes. Sink, sank, sunk. For sink, what is the past and the participle? Bhavya, you raised your hand. Bhavya, you want to answer, Bhavya? Sing.
Sang, sung.
Yes, sing, sang, and sung. What is the past and the participle of write?
Wrote, written.
Ma'am, wrote.
Yes.
Written.
Wrote or written.
Yes, very good. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Okay. Now I will write some sentences. There is one mistake in each sentence. You have to point out. You get error correction in a paragraph, but even if you practice error correction in a sentence, you'll know which kind of errors you get. Wait, I'll point. Aditya Raj, you want to answer? Aditya Raj? Aditya? What is the mistake in this sentence? Children likes chocolates. Aditya Raj?
Ma'am, may I?
मैम लाइक मैच
Ma'am,
नहीं
can
होगा.
I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Aditya has given the correct answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Aditya has given the correct answer. Children like. Why? Because this is a plural subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Plural subject. There is no S in the verb. This you have to remember. So, yes, Aditya, you gave the correct answer. Children like chocolates. So, this is the mistake, and the correct word is like. Supriya,
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya, can you answer?
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
mistake in
C.
this sentence?
Saw.
Ma'am, saw.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Seen.
Ma'am,
Supriya,
C
what
होगा.
is the- wait, so let Supriya answer. Saw is the mistake.
Seen.
What is the correct word?
Ma'am, seen.
Yes, very good. Why? Why you'll use seen?
Ma'am, because we use have plus seen.
Yes, because have is there. With have, you always use the V3. You have to remember कि have के साथ जो है हमेशा verb का third form. तो third form क्या है? See, saw, seen. Third form हमारा seen है. So you have to use seen. So yes, correct. Okay, what is the mistake in this sentence? Who will answer?
Sing.
Ananya Singh. Ananya? Ananya,
Sing.
can you hear me?
Ma'am, singing, the word is wrong and sing is the correct word.
Yes, very good, Ananya. Singing is the wrong word and the correct word is sing. Why? Because with two, you always use the V1. In English, there is rule 2 plus V1. हमेशा 2 के साथ V1 ही लगता है. This is the rule. Who will answer? Ayush Kumar 9G.
Can I?
Ayush Kumar 9G, what is the mistake in this sentence? Yeah,
Ma'am, may
Mother
I?
was angry on
Ma'am,
me.
may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Let Ayush try. Pragya, Advait, you give a lot of answers. Let others also try.
मैम ऑन के जगह पे with.
Yes, Nishu, your answer is correct. But you have to wait for your turn. Yes, correct answer, Nishu. The correct answer is on. The correct answer is with. What is the correct answer? Who will answer? Wait. 30. अमन राज, तुमने आंसर नहीं दिया था इसका
Ma'am.
आंसर. Avinash, you wanted to answer. Okay, Avinash, you want to answer this? Married with my cousin. He is married with my cousin. What is the mistake?
Ma'am, can I?
Shreyasi, you have already answered. Well, I want those who
Can
don't.
I?
Ma'am,
Everybody should participate.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Anuj Sharan, today you haven't answered. Okay, Anuj, you answer. Okay, Anuj, answer.
He is
with
married
my cousin.
to my cousin. He is
Married?
married to my cousin.
Married?
Two. He is married to my cousin.
Yes, 2. 2 is the correct. What is the mistake in this sentence? Each of the boys have done the homework.
Ma'am, may I?
मैम बॉय होगा.
Aditya Raj.
Ma'am, boy होगा.
Boy?
Boy
Ma'am,
की जगह.
Advait.
Boy.
Each of the के साथ plural subject भी लगता है.
Ma'am, boy.
Ma'am has. Ma'am has instead of have.
Yes, Advait, your answer is correct. Advait, instead of have, you will have has. Why? Because each is there. अगर कोई sentence में each है तो plural subject भी है तो has ही लगेगा. This you have to remember. If you work hard, you cannot pass. What is the mistake in this sentence? Who will point? Anuj, Anjali, Ananya, Aman Raj, Akash Raj. Akash Raj, roll 36, 9G. Akash Raj, can you hear me?
May I answer?
Avinash, okay, Avinash, answer. What is the mistake?
मैम can.
Let Avinash answer. Avinash,
Ma'am, 2.
2. If you work hard, you cannot pass. What is the mistake?
Ma'am, if you work hard, 2 cannot pass.
2, nahi. You have to, you can change this, correct this sentence in 2 ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I-
Till you work hard, you cannot pass. And if you work hard, you
तो
can
इसको
pass.
हम 2 तरह से कर सकते हैं. यहाँ unless यूज करना है. Until टाइम के लिए यूज होता है. unless for condition. Unless you work hard, you cannot
Okay.
pass. Or you can correct it in one more way. If you work hard, you can pass. Okay. Okay, now we'll do some fill in the blanks. Complete the following passage by choosing the most appropriate option from the ones given below. In your examination, if you get fill in the blanks, you will get MCQ. You will get the options also. So, rivers are considered wholly in, on, at, off. What is the correct answer?
In.
In. In.
Ma'am, in.
Rivers,
Pragya,
Ma'am,
your
in.
answer
rivers are
is
considered holy in
Ma'am,
India.
in.
Ma'am, in.
Okay, many of you gave the correct answer. Pragya, Advait. Okay. Rivers are considered holy in India, but they are hardly treated
With
With. With.
with
With.
respect. But they are hardly treated with respect. All kinds
Ma'am?
of. Yes, Nishu, you want to say something? Nishu?
No, मैम आंसर बोल रहे थे.
आंसर बोल रही थी, ठीक है. Rivers are considered holy in India, but they are hardly treated with respect. All kinds of dust and filth. You know the meaning of filth? What is the meaning of filth?
Ma'am, garbage.
Dirt. Filth means dirt. Garbage also you can say. Okay. All kind of dust and filth find
their way.
There.
There.
find
It's.
its
It's.
find its way. Find its way into the rivers. Why you use there for living things? Here it is dust and dirt. Dust and filth. Are they living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. So you will use its. If it is a living thing, then you will use there. Non-living के लिए हम it pronounce use करते हैं. और एनिमल्स के लिए भी कभी कभी इट यूज करते हैं. एनिमल्स के लिए कभी ही शी भी यूज करते हैं और इट भी करते हैं. If we have to treat and purify the water
For drinking.
क्या क्या है?
I have a
Off in,
favorite
on,
dancer in
Ma'am,
off.
chat.
for.
Yes,
For.
for drinking.
Ma'am, for.
For. If we have to treat and purify the water for drinking it, how can the fish survive in dash waters?
This water.
This,
Those.
These water.
This waters. These waters.
This water.
these waters.
These water.
Because
These
here it is plural. These waters. Okay, how can the fish survive in these waters? All the water pollution is very harmful for the marine life, isn't it? Every year, river Gomti becomes
The
The.
Ma'am, the.
depth bed
Yes,
of
every
year
year
thousands of
river
fish.
Gomti becomes the deathbed of thousands of fish because
Of
In.
of water released. नहीं, आगे भी पढ़ो क्या हो? Because option is the तो अच्छा ये 7th है तो ऑप्शन है in the width of.
Ma'am, in.
Because in water released. कहाँ सूट कर रहा है? नहीं, in is not suitable because
with
water released.
because with water released in the reservoir
Because with water
carries
released in the
into it.
no Because
Ma'am, the.
Bhavya gave the correct answer. Yes, because the water released in the reservoir upstream carries effluents dash the neighboring
From.
From the neighboring.
From.
effluents
Ma'am, from.
effluents
From.
effluents means all the harmful water from the industries. Effluents. Okay. This also is a similar exercise. But for option, ये देखना पड़ेगा बार बार. I hope all is well with you. You can fill by yourself also. I hope all is well with you. Everything is fine here. I'm sorry I dash right earlier. I was busy. Couldn't, hasn't,
did
have
not.
not, hadn't.
Couldn't.
Ma'am, couldn't.
Yes, couldn't.
Couldn't.
Yes, I couldn't.
Ma'am, couldn't.
Couldn't. Couldn't is the short form of could not. Could not and couldn't, it means the same. I was busy with my coaching camp, which being two only. I was
Which?
busy with my coaching
Ma'am,
camp,
which? Ma'am, which?
which, yes.
Ma'am, beach.
नहीं being नहीं. Being is now over. कहाँ suit कर रहा है? Which? I was busy with my coaching camp, which is now over. After the annual examination, most of which the are when.
The.
Ma'am, the.
Most of the.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the.
Most of the boarders have left for their homes. Only a few like me. क्या है? Only a few like me. क्या? Number is 4. Only a few like me couldn't, which
Are.
when are.
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 Yes, are. Only a few like me are left behind. I can't express how badly I miss you. I don't know. Fifth है ना, the
When.
being when am.
When.
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 The being when am. I don't know when I'll be able to join you. Dad, I hate dash a border. Dad, I hate being which two couldn't.
Being.
Ma'am, being.
Being.
Ma'am, being.
Dad, I hate being a boarder. Boarder means what? Living in the hostel, away from the family. Boarder means those who stay in the boarding school. Dad, I hate being a boarder. How lonely it is to stay here, dash the vacation. During our war between.
During.
During.
Ma'am, during.
During.
During the vacation. The few inmates left. Inmates means all the students. The few inmates left at where are is. The few inmates
Ma'am, at.
left
At.
the few inmates left dash not only boring but also nasty.
Ma'am, at.
Ma'am, at.
नहीं at नहीं होगा.
No, ma'am, at नहीं होगा.
Few inmates left at where are is.
Ma'am, where?
Ma'am, at.
Where.
Ma'am, where.
पर कैसे
Where?
होगा? अभी भी तो वो है ही ना. are.
Ma'am, are होगा.
are.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, are होगा.
Ma'am, are.
ओके 2 मिनट है ना, चलो देखते हैं ये 3-4. द स्टूडेंट्स आर
Not.
वॉज वर बीन.
मैम
Not.
आर.
Ma'am, were.
मैम आर.
आर.
Ma'am,
Where
were.
Were.
the students were talking as
मैम
Miss
वेयर.
Students
Sarkar
were talking as Miss Sarkar entered,
Entered.
entered, entering,
entered.
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 Ma'am, entered.
मैम
Third.
इंटर.
entered. The students were talking as Miss Sarkar entered the classroom. Then in a loud voice.
C.
नहीं वो तो होगा ना.
They.
Said.
They.
ये क्यों होगा?
They.
मिस सरकार
they.
सिंगल लेडी है.
And
They
she.
हम करते हैं
She.
plural
Ma'am,
में.
students ना बोले.
You are
And she.
you have to use
I'm a
pronoun
student.
for this. She said, "Good
And-
morning," and dash quickly around the room.
Glanced.
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 Glance.
Glanced quickly around the room. All the children observe, watching, watched.
Watching.
Observe.
Watched. Ma'am, watching.
Observed her or
All the children watched her.
Ma'am,
observed
watched.
her. Watched में तो मुझे भी confused.
Watch.
Watched her in. Watched means saw. Observed. Watched or observed. नहीं watched ही होगा क्योंकि observed present में है. यहाँ हमारा past होना.
Yes,
watched
ma'am,
her
observed
intently.
नहीं है.
Yes, watched
Watch.
her intently to find out what sort of a person she is was been being.
Ma'am, was.
मैम वॉज.
नहीं अभी
Ma'am,
तो
was.
है ना.
She is.
मैम इज.
She
Is.
is.
Ma'am, is होगा.
To
Is.
find out what sort of a person she is. This is the description of a new teacher. New teacher has entered the classroom. So the students are watching her. I suppose you dash to know my name. I suppose
Ma'am,
wants
मैम वॉज.
Ma'am, wants.
Ma'am, wants.
यू के साथ एस वाला वर्ब लगेगा.
नो मैम वॉन्ट.
No,
यू
ma'am.
के साथ एस वाला वर्ब नहीं लगता है.
Want.
यू गोज नहीं बोलते हैं.
Want to.
बोलते हैं यू गोज. You want to know my name, she said, but dash she could tell them someone in the class yelled out. But dash she could tell them.
Ma'am, before.
Ma'am, before.
What
Ma'am,
is the meaning
before.
of yell?
Ma'am,
Yell means what?
shouted.
Bola.
Yes.
To shout.
चिल्लाना.
Yelled means shouted. Past tense है yell मतलब shout, तो yelled मतलब shouted. Okay, so this is our class ends here. Again, we'll meet tomorrow. Attendance
Thank you, ma'am.
declining. You tell your friends to attend the class. Okay. Okay.
Good day, ma'am.
Bye.
Good day, ma'am.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
nice day,
Good
ma'am.
day.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
nice
Hope you
day.
Good day, ma'am.
get ready for your next class. Did you have your breakfast?
Yeah.
नहीं किया हो तो जाके 20
Yes, ma'am.
मिनट है अभी अगले क्लास में.